Welcome to the Meaco product video for the Meaco 12L low energy compressor dehumidifier. If you're looking for a dehumidifier for a smaller property, an apartment, a flat, up to around about a 3-bedroom house, then watch this video as this could well be the right machine for you. This is part of our exclusive Platinum range of dehumidifiers. This 12L dehumidifier is only using an average of 165 watts. So it's going to have very little effect on your energy bill. In terms of how it works, the air comes into the back of the dehumidifier, across a filter and out through the top. In terms of living with this dehumidifier, it really is very simple. All you've got to do, keep the filter clean, give this a hoover at least once every 2 weeks. One of the most common questions that we get asked is, will the dehumidifier turn itself off when the tank is full? Well, the answer is yes. It does this because inside the tank there's a float. So the water level goes up, the float gets to the top, that activates the switch which turns the dehumidifier off. And all you've got to do is empty it. And the 12L comes with a nice cover so that you're not going to spill any of the water on the way to the sink. If you wish, you can connect a hose to the spout just through this little hole by here, which you can punch out, and then you can drain the water away continuously. Now, you're probably more likely to do this with this machine than any of the others because it's got auto restart. So if you use it in an application where you're not around too much, maybe a holiday home or using it in a garage to look after a classic car or on a boat, it will turn itself back on after the power cut and, most importantly, go back to whatever setting that you left it on. In terms of setting the dehumidifier up, very simple little control panel here, but it's got a digital display on it, which you don't often get at this particular price point. The digital display tells you what the room humidity is, and then using the up or down arrow, you can set your target humidity in steps of 5. I would go for 50 or 55% for most applications, which keeps you well away from that 68% where mold starts to grow. It's got an off timer and this louver so you can direct the air where you want it to go. Now, one of the reasons why the Platinum range and these low energy models are so popular with our customers is because they're the only machines that allow you to add, where the filter is, the HEPA filter. This is a true HEPA filter made to exacting international standards. You can buy these, they come in packs of 3, and then they'll protect you and your family from allergens such as pet dander, dust, dust mites, pollen, and so many more. Meaco 12L low energy compressor dehumidifier. If you ever have a problem with any Meaco dehumidifier, come straight back to us. We'll be delighted to hear from you and to look after you. Thank you for choosing Meaco.